Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen, where I do family-friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for Mediterranean meatballs served with a tomato and olive sauce. Now this dish is full of vegetables, it's extremely healthy, and it comes in at less than 500 calories. So folks, sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. So we start off with 500 grams of beef mince. To that we're going to add half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, 1 courgette that's been grated and drained, 1 teaspoon of tomato puree, some freshly ground black pepper, and 1 tablespoonful of freshly chopped parsley. Now we get our hands in there, we mix it well, and we form it into some meatballs. So onto a baking tray with just some baking parchment. Now folks, if you're enjoying my videos, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel because it does help that I can make further videos for you. So now that we've got our meatballs made, we're just going to go over to a preheated oven at 180 degrees centigrade or 160 fan, and we're going to bake them for about 10 minutes. Now while they're baking, we're going to go over to a frying pan. It needs to be pretty deep because you're making a sauce. We're going to have 1 onion, cook that for a couple of minutes until it's translucent. Then we're going to add 400 gram tin of chopped tomatoes, 3 cloves of crushed garlic, 1 chopped carrot, 200 grams of chopped aubergine or eggplant, 1 red pepper that's been chopped, and we're going to fry that for 2 to 3 minutes. Now to that then we're going to add 2 tablespoonfuls of tomato puree, 1 tablespoonful of balsamic vinegar, half a tablespoonful of sweetener, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, a tablespoon of freshly chopped basil. Just give that a stir around and get all the flavours combined. Then we're going to add 400 milliliters of chicken stock and half a teaspoonful of paprika. Cook that for 5 or 10 minutes just until the flavours all combine and the sauce is starting to thicken. Now that the sauce is thickening, we're going to add our meatballs. Then 20 pitted black olives. Pop the lid on and let that simmer for about 30 minutes. Now that the sauce is thickened, we're just going to check it for seasoning and add the salt and pepper as needed. And now it's time to serve. I've just served mine on some ribbon pasta, and then I'm going to top it with some ripped parsley. So folks, if you've enjoyed this video for Mediterranean meatballs with olives, don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my further videos.